If you're thinking of quitting trading, not in some casual, I'll take a break kind of way, but for real, this video is for you. I've been where you are and I've stared at blown accounts, doubted everything, and wondered if this training game is actually for real. But before you quit, I need you to hear this, because quitting might not be your exit. It might actually be your turning point. Hi there, if you're new to this channel, I'm Kojaks Pro, a trader, and I've been at this game for over 3.5 years. I didn't start out being profitable in Forex. As a matter of fact, I made a lot of mistakes. I went from buying a lot of fake courses to watching YouTube videos online just to learn how to trade, to actually joining signal groups. I went on to carry that kind of mentality into my trading, which made me to do a lot of over trading, impulse trading, fear of missing out kind of trading, basically the whole shebang of psychological trading. And it didn't help me because I went on to blow a lot of accounts. But now I'm here at my profitable stage giving you YouTube video on how to avoid that mistake of mine which I made. And in this video, I'm going to show you why you shouldn't quit and your winning phase might actually be around the corner. Subscribe to the channel, and without wasting so much time, let's get into the video. Most traders don't quit because they are lazy. They quit because they are exhausted. The burnout doesn't come from work. It comes from working hard without progress. You've probably tried 3 to 5 different strategies, watched hours of content, got excited, then slapped by the market. You're not failing because you don't care. You're failing because you care too much without a proper process. The trading journey isn't learn a strategy, then profit. It's actually excitement to confusion, to overconfidence, to repeated losses, to emotional breaking points, identity shifts, and then profits. Most traders quit right before they shift. Quitting doesn't always mean leaving trading. Sometimes it means quitting the wrong approach. These were the things I had to quit. I had to quit random setups. I had to quit emotional trades. And I had to quit learning from everyone and listening to no one, especially myself. The traders who survived aren't the most skilled. They are the most structured. The winning phase begins with mastering one setup, building a risk-first routine, journaling even when it's painful, and making process a priority over outcome. You're not losing because you're incapable. You are losing because your structure hasn't caught up with your ambition. Trading only became clear when I made peace with slow progress. So before you quit, do these 5 things. 1. Take a 7-day break, not to escape, but to reset. 2. Audit your last 20 trades, not the result, but the decisions. 3. Ask yourself, if I traded like a robot, would I still be losing? 4. Focus on clarity over complexity. 5. Choose one setup and one rule to master for the next 30 days. If no one's told you this yet, you're not crazy for wanting to walk away. But if you still care enough to be watching this video, that means you're not done yet. So before you quit trading, quit your current approach. If you're ready to rebuild, this channel is your roadmap. Download the Trader Rebuild Guide, which is a free PDF I created, link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.